Do you know how to turn that on?
Think how do you shoot again?
Well, how are you going to be a Ghostbuster? Oh, there you go. You got to push one of the button. I've always called it the Neutron one, but I believe it is pronounced the Neutrino one. There you go. You're one step closer to becoming Phoebe now. Is that the shoot? I think that's the shooter. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
And what's the next step now?
You need the Proton.
We need the Proton pack now. All right, so let's do the Proton pack.
I think it's inside of here.
All right, that's inside there. All right, we're gonna get to it now. All right, so turn off the one, and then let's get to the box then.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Hello folks, Danoby2 here, and thank you for joining me once again on a visual tour. This is going to be a family-friendly kid version unboxing of the Ghostbusters Proton Pack from Haslab. My daughter wanted to participate, and you know what? With so many reviews out there, I wanted to make this more kid-centric. Thanks for watching.
All right, let me get rid of the shippers, and then we'll continue.
Careful. Okay, come here.
Look, he's fine.
I don't want him to get cut.
Oh,
Oh, more boxes.
oh yeah.
Have fun. Here's some instructions.
Certificate maybe, some stickers.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's the instructions.
Yep.
Do it.
Ghostbusters instructions.
Yeah.
All that. Oh man, this is a lot of technical
I don't
mumbo
want to do
jumbo.
it. Okay.
So
Get that
let's
out of the
get
way.
that out of the way.
I think we have to lift this.
What do we got? Oh, look, there's an arrow.
Oh, so you have to push
See the
it.
arrow? Hold on. Right, this is like a puzzle box, maybe. Maybe.
It's like in the.
Look at that. See, puzzle. And then, right? Maybe. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is that? Phantasmical samples. It says handle with care.
then
Welcome to
there's this.
Ghostbusters. What is
There's
that?
also this.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know either. Let's put it
I
on
have
there.
no idea what that is, but it looks fun.
It does.
Look at that. Compartments and secret doohickeys. Chuck that box over there.
Yeah.
Was there anything in that box?
No.
Oh, fancy. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Wow.
It even has like the little ashes to make it look like it was old.
This is so much better in person. This is definitely worth the wait. Look at the ribbon. Wow. Wow. This is cool.
No.
All right, so I guess we can try to lift it like so. Ugh.
It's very light.
There you go. Put it on the floor. Anything else in the box? Oh, they got the cases here.
And then these are the extra accessories that go with
Yeah.
the Proton pack.
Oh, this is cool though. All right, no, look inside there. What's inside there?
Bag.
Yeah, open it up. Ah, what you got? Ah,
So this. Oh, it's the goo.
it's goo.
So you put it on the Proton pack like you.
Yeah,
That's so fun.
goo. Look at that. That's
It's something.
yeah, goo. Well, we're gonna try to keep this family oriented with the goo. All right. There we go. Hold on. And then this is a ghost trap.
Yeah, I think it is.
Let's see. What do we have here? Let's see here. What is it? It's a little marshmallow. I think it's a little marshmallow guy.
Yes, they're burnt though.
That is
Little
cool.
marshmallow bites, and they're burnt.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
That is cool.
There you go. A little marshmallow, little goodness for the kids there. Oh,
This one's extra burnt.
These are pretty good quality here.
Yeah, that's cool. But where's our trap? Ghost trap.
This does not come with a ghost trap. Ghost trap is separate. So you can have the little marshmallow guys all over the marshmallow things here. Have them crate had it. How many did we get?
We only got 3.
We only got 3? Alright.
There's the goo.
And the little burnt heads. You didn't even open up the little burnt heads.
Sweet.
Oh, I see. So you can swap out the
Heads.
heads. I like, boy, Hasbro's all about the...
Well, look at that evil face.
Yeah, so you can swap out the face.
It's
The heads, no, the little heads. Yeah, we
It's
got
a
that.
little.
Oh, let me see. Let me pop out the little head there. There you go.
This head's really burnt.
Let's see if we can flip this over. So there's a compartment
Oh,
on here.
that's the backpack, so it's like that.
Yeah.
But you have that thing over there.
Yeah, but we're not going to be using these straps, though. Oh, that's cool. At least they give you that, though.
That's nice.
Yeah, but we're going to be using the Alice.
Can I show them that?
Yeah. We're using the Alice frame, so we're going to actually be removing these straps. See, we actually prepared. We got the Alice frame that we're going to be attaching to this. So that's what we're actually going to be doing.
So we're taking out the straps.
Yeah. So, and then, but maybe you should. Here.
Can I at least try it on?
Yeah.
With
Hold
the
on.
straps?
Mm-hmm.
It sounds.
So I saw an early review, and they unboxed theirs, and they didn't even have the size D batteries. But luckily, because I saw that early review, I ordered size D batteries within minutes.
Ooh.
Flip it over. See, now it's heavy.
No. Earlier it wasn't.
Do you know where the on button is? Oh, the switch. Oh.
Whoa.
So we should see. This is something that I don't see in videos. So. All right.
Cool.
So hold on. I'm gonna show you guys where the actual button is. That's pretty neat. That is cool. I do like that.
That is cool. It's very convenient to like know where it is.
Oh, it shows up really nice on camera. This blue strobe effect. That is cool.
My question is, how do we attach the wand? Where's the cord that we attach the wand to?
It should be. All right. Let's Yeah, let's get it connected. We can, open the side or. See, this is where we're gonna find all the other. We'll probably find the cord in here too.
Yeah.
So we got the mounts in this thing. Yeah, I'm not keeping any of this box. And then this is the cord. Here's where we'll find the cord.
Yay!
Connect that. Ooh, and this is the power node.
This.
Yeah. These are the screws. All right, put that down for a second. So these are the screws for the Alice frame, which we'll be installing. Yeah. So these are the mountain brackets for the Alice. We'll do that in a second, and then this is
Where you attach it.
this is the kid safety nozzle tip. So when a kid is holding a gun, you have to put this orange tip on so they don't get in trouble. And these are this is cool. This is a power cable here. And then that's the adapter for the Neutrino wand. So we'll get that connected. Oh, puppy, hold on. Alright, I think this is
Okay, baby.
because this is going to supply power to the wand.
I found another button, I think.
Mhm.
Two buttons. You have to load that.
Alright, so we'll turn it on now. Let me see, so put it on. Oh, it's on now.
No. No.
There it is. I love that the one actually turns the pack on. And then turns everything on. This was an easy setup. Oh, that's cool. So it vibrates on the back there too. You can feel it vibrating. Yeah, that's neat. That's pretty cool.
It is. I like the little.
And then turns everything off. Right.
That's cool.
So there should be a switch on here
That's.
that you can switch the options.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Wouldn't this be neat if it's spun though? Yeah, that's just screw there. Oh, look at that. A real bolt.
Yeah. Whoa.
And then these are the switches. So I guess. Oh. You have different options. That's cool. If you can add some real copper to this.
That would be cool.
Yeah. Or you know what? You can actually get this to spin since it's a particle. So a miniature particle accelerator to get this to spin. That would be neat. How do you get this to spin though?
You have to have.
Seems like it's hitting something too.
I see it. If you look right here.
Yeah.
Look no, you can spin it. Look right there. It's hitting something right there when it passes.
So
It's that
let's
when it
see
passes.
here. Yeah. Oh, but you put the lug nut on, or it won't spin right. All right, that's all right. Something to explore. And then danger. I don't know if that's part of it.
It's part of the design.
Yeah. All right. Turn that off. Hey, does it feel heavy?
A little bit.
All right. Do you know how to turn it on now?
Yeah.
All right. So grab it. All right. Take two. There's a ghost in the room. There you go. There's a muncher. There's a free float Inspector Muncher Class 5.
Hold on.
Remember, I hit the activate button. Oh, Ghost got
I'm
you.
literally.
The button, the activator button, the black button. There you go. No?
I feel
Okay.
like I have marks on under my armpits now.
Oh, I didn't catch. All right, zap Loki one more time.
Loki, come here.
Loki. All right,
Gotcha.
don't torture him. All right, and turn around. Show the pack on you how big it is. All right, hold that position. Face the yeah. And it's pulsating, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I think it's the 84 switch because So before I switch it to the Alice frame, I want to see if it's comfortable with the included straps.
It's really not to me.
And I will say one of the, I don't know if it's a complaint, but it's definitely something that's been noticed that these packs are heavy. So if you're going to cosplay with them, they're definitely...
Be prepared to have your back hurt.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so then you grab it. Let's see. Ooh. This is the part of the job I hate. These packs are heavy. Ooh. But you know what? I'm left-handed. I'm gonna need some After Effects. I don't have a ghost strap. I gotta get a ghost strap.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this is pretty badass. This is an easy install. Oh, that's it.
It is very easy.
Yeah,
install.
that's it. Just a. Good. It's good. Power me up, Reagan.
Hurry you up.
Power me up. This is awesome. Love it. Love it. Love everything about this. Love it. Now power it up. What's Logan doing?
Man, oh man, Hasbro knocked it out of the park once again with the Proton pack. I saw the writing on the wall when they first announced it, and this is 100% A+ winner. It should get every award for the price point, for what it's delivering. This is a fantastic piece. I am so happy I was able to back it. I hope you folks out there were able to score one. This was a campaign that was launched back in is it mid 2021? But anyway, like, subscribe, leave your comments below. I had fun making this. Thanks for watching.